we've got keys, we've got nail scissors, we've got some tweezer things, we've got a screwdriver. What do these elements have in common? They all love to scratch our cell phone screens. Now, we know this, and yet we still throw our cell phones into our bags without thinking twice, and then we look surprised when, well, fresh new scratches. If you're looking at your cell phone screen right now and you got one of those scratches, or a few of those scratches, I have a product for you. Hey, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. My name's Liron Segev, where every Tuesday I share with you tips and tricks to help you and make you more productive, more efficient, and get more out of your system. If this sounds cool to you, smash that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So here's what happened. I was traveling to VidCon and I was going through airport security, and I know that I shouldn't throw my cell phone into my bag. I know I'm supposed to put it in a little kind of tray thing that they give you as it goes through the x-ray machine. I wasn't thinking, I stuck it into my bag, put it through the x-ray machine, picked up my phone on the other side, and yes, well, guess what? New scratches. Yay. So this is very irritating. It happens to a lot of people. And what do? Well, naturally you go to YouTube, you do a quick search, and what do you find? Lots of lovely solutions talking about toothpaste. So I tried that. I figured, well, it can't hurt. My phone smelled lovely and minty fresh, but unfortunately the scratches were still there. And that's when I found this product. It's a product by Cellhelmet. They basically specialize in screens and phones protections, and they've got this product which is made with real diamonds, and that is said to remove scratches. Well, let's get into it and unbox this baby and see what it does.
Okay, let's check out the actual packaging itself. This is the Cellhelmet scratch remover and polisher, and if you turn it over right off the bat, they're kind of very clear. If you've got a fine scratch, it's very effective. It eliminates the scratch. If you've got a very deep scratch, it basically lightly reduces it, and everything in between. So it's great the company is disclosing that right up front, so it sets your expectations. You know exactly what you're going to get with this product. The cool thing about this product is that you don't have to play chemist. Everything is pre-mixed for you. You don't have to worry about ratios and this to that. Everything's already pre-prepared in those little syringes. The only thing you need to do is prepare the applicator. And that's pretty simple. Grab it out the box, take the felt tip, loop it over each of the end of it, take the rubber band, double loop it over, and make sure that it's secure in place, because if that slips off whilst you're applying this to your phone, it's going to scratch your phone, which is kind of counterintuitive of what we're trying to do here. Make sure you do the same thing on both sides of the applicator, because you're going to need them to use them separately as you're using the product. Right, next up, 2 syringes. Now, I must say, in these, there is no needles, so you don't have to worry about pricking yourself or something going horribly wrong. It's just basically the compounds. There's a yellow compound and a white compound, and let me show you how all that works together. So here's the phone I'm going to try fix. You can see a couple of scratches here, and here. The problem with him trying to show scratches on a screen that's reflective with all the camera lights is that you just can't see them properly, but they're there. So first you're going to grab the cloth and you're going to give it a nice wipe down, make sure there's no gunk anywhere around the screen. Nice clean surface to work with is always best. Then grab the yellow compound first. You're going to use about 1/4 of that syringe directly onto any scuffs or any marks. So start with that. Grab the applicator next, and you're going to start rubbing it in. You're going to rub it parallel and you're going to rub it perpendicular to the scratches. So around the scratches, on the scratches, in both directions, and you're going to put some pressure on that. Now, not enough to break the screen, obviously, but you do have to kind of put some elbow grease in there and really get that compound in. Now, you got to do it for 4 minutes.
A few moments later.
So any compound that's left on the screen, just wipe it down, get rid of it, and we're going to go to the second step, which is the white applicator, and that's the white polisher. What we're going to do is exactly the same. Put a couple of dots all over your screen, wherever your scratches happen to be, and you're going to get stuck in by doing exactly the same process. Take the other side of the applicator, not the one that you've just used, the clean one, and start working it.
A few moments later.
Right, let's wipe it down and see what the results are going to be. Remember, before we had a couple of scratches here, here, and here. Now, let's see what it looks like. And ta-da! Look at that, that's pretty cool.
I'm pretty impressed. Looking at my phone, I can absolutely see a noticeable visual difference. Now, it's not going to remove all the deep scratches. I've said that before, and I have one deep scratch. It didn't remove that, but it is actually less. If that makes sense. It's not as noticeable as it was before. The little scuffs and the little marks are absolutely gone, basically. You really have to kind of look deeply into the phone to be able to try and find where those marks were. That's pretty impressive. So if you're looking to get rid of your scratches, or you've got a phone that you're looking to upgrade and maybe you want to sell your old phone on eBay or one of those systems and you want to kind of give it a brand new look, this product is pretty cool. Link will be in the description below. Definitely go check these guys out. Now, if you missed any of the previous Tech Tip Tuesdays, there'll be some cool videos here. You can definitely check them out. Give the video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. It really helps the channel a lot. And guys, let me know what else you'd like me to see me cover on this channel. I'd rather give you information you want versus stuff that you don't need. If you know somebody else has got a scratched screen, please share this video with them and be their hero, save their screen. And I'll see you guys on the next Tech Tip Tuesday. Cheers for now.